it's so nice, to have everybody coming together to speak about what we have, this amazing brain. And so really, why do events like this actually matter? Why do we want to come together and discuss about these issues? Well, really, it's about this is how you really bring what's, research happening in the labs into discussion with people so that it's really embedded with the reality of what we do and what are your concerns and what science should help answer. And so really, I would like to thank Dr. Alan Evans and the entire team of Healthy Brain, Healthy Life, because they really managed to make that discussion going. And that was a really, really great day. Yeah, absolutely. And so once again, going back to the whys, why we gather together, I would like to go one way further. Why does brain research do matter? Does it matter? Well, guess what? I think it does. Because it's really not just, science, it's not just about solving puzzles. It's about really seeking solution, finding ways to prevent disease, finding cures and treatments. And this is really that direct translation of science into society that makes us better, that really allow us to have a healthy life and to really live our life to the fullness. So for us, our organization, Brain Canada, it's a charitable organization, and what we do, what our mission is about really supporting the most amazing research happening here in this country. And we do that by many ways, whether it's, Alan mentioned some of them. Some are about getting sure that we support the researchers, especially the young ones, and you've seen some of them. They need to have support. They need to be able to do their amazing breakthroughs and ask the most amazing questions. So you need to be there and support them to do that, to be able to ask whatever they think of. You also need to have ways and mechanisms to support high-risk, high-reward questions. Because, something that's an hypothesis that may be very uncertain, that might be what's going to really be the breakthrough of tomorrow. So you need to be able to bet and to say, well, you know what? There was a lot of questions today from the audience where the answer was, it's a great question. I don't know yet. Well, that's what we want to enable, is the yet, is the now I'm going to do it. And we don't know where it's going to bring us, but it's quite likely that it's going to bring us to something that's very tangible. And so one of the things we've been supporting, we actually have the way our organization function is that we're supported by the government of Canada for the Canadian Brain Research Fund. And so I said we're a charitable organization, so we actually match every dollar we receive from the government with dollars from donors and partners to really enable the kind of research that you've been seeing today. And why do we do that? Because we want people living in Canada to have a healthy life, to have this life to its fullness. And that's only by research and translating research into solution that this will happen. So we've been very fortunate that the government of Canada renewed our commitment to the Canadian Brain Research Fund through an 80 million in the last federal budget. And we're going to do, all our efforts are going to match these dollars through donors' contribution, through partner contribution, so that we can really allow more of this amazing research to happen in the next years to come. And so really, that's about as much as I wanted to say. It was such a blessing to be part of this second edition. And there'll be a meet and greet right after. You'll have the occasion to speak and ask questions, more questions to the speakers. You also see some of the students, and they're presenting arts and research posters, so things that you didn't hear that you can see later. And I think this is it. I'll just let you go and go to the meet and greet and really enjoy. And I hope you had a great time.